How to create your own voice in 11 Labs. So once you've logged in, head over to the home section, click on clone your voice. When you've clicked on it, you're met with a couple of options on how you can create your voice. You could go with the instant voice clone, which clones your voice using only 10 seconds worth of audio. And all you need to do is just upload 10 seconds worth of audio, and the AI would recreate your voice. Now, you could go with the professional option, which takes more time. You need at least 30 minutes worth of clean audio, but at least your voice would be realistically digitally replicated. So, in order to make use of these, you're going to need to either own a starter plan or get the creator plan. So, you can click on subscribe to get access to these plans. And that's how you can go about creating your voice using these options. Now, you could also try the voice design, which designs an entirely new voice from a text prompt, but it's really hard to create your voice from people's voices. That's using samples of artificial intelligence generated voices to create yours. So I would suggest either the instant voice clone or the professional voice clone. All right.